Hello America, this is Keith, your friendly neighborhood technician, coming at you with some more wonderful information. Today we're going to go over the all-in-one washing machine dryer combo. Yes, I said that, the all-in-one. These are the new thing, all the manufacturers making it. Today we're going to look at the LG. The nice thing about it, the LG is basically the same size as this normal washer, okay? But it does both wash and dry, okay? If you notice, it still has the same detergent setup, just like the old washer dryer. Your controls are going to be washer dryer combo. Your drum still looks like your old style washer, but that's where it stops. The difference is this will actually dry your clothes also. You push it once, you load it, you set it, you forget it, it's done. Now, depending on the cycle, you're talking anywhere from an hour and a half to 3 hours. Yes, about 3 hours to do a load, start to finish, which is fine. If it's you, one other, maybe a third, it's not a bad idea. If you've got a family of 3 or 4 or 5, I wouldn't recommend this, because once you load it, you start it, you have to wait till it's done before you can do a second load. I myself have a washer and dryer. I can wash a load, dry a load, and keep swapping and keep them constantly running. This, you do one load, that's it. You start it, you finish it, great. If you, like I said, if you're a smaller family, these are awesome, okay? Now, the difference is dryers have lint screens. Do we know where this lint screen is? I do. This lint screen is going to be right here. Okay, basically you're gonna put your finger in it, you're gonna pick it up, pull it out, there's your lint screen. You know, normally they're up on top, but this one's actually comes out here, pulls out, there's your lint screen. That's how you clean your lint screen. This is where the air goes through. And if you look, it only goes realistically in one way. You gotta make sure you get it lined up, get it popped in, and voila, she's back in. And that's after the dryer. Make sure you do it every time. Now, like I said, if you look at the inside here, it doesn't look a whole lot different than a washer. Your door looks the same. You still have your same water drain down here. And then, like I said, it works like a washer, looks like a washer, but it actually does dry your clothes. Now, I'm gonna give you a little insight here. We're going to look at the inside of this to see why and what it does, okay? Are these good? They actually are very good, okay? I've done a little taking apart so you don't have to see that. I don't want you to see how to do that, because you don't want to mess with these, because you start messing with them and I show up and I find out you mess with it, you void your warranty instantly. Let your technician be the one who takes it apart for you. But we're going to give you a little inside look. I've taken it apart and taken the top off, okay? But we got a whole bunch of things going on here, okay? Here is your water dispenser, okay? Here is your lint screen. Here is the air vent that gets pulled up, gets pulled through, and gets pushed back down. You know how you have the fan that heats up, that puts air in your dryer? This is that fan in the LG. You still have your water valves back here, but you got a whole lot of really compact electronics in there doing a whole bunch of silly things. Okay, these aren't for your normal faint of heart. You don't want to mess with these. You don't want to take these apart. You don't want to play with these things. These things are very, very sensitive. Let your technician do it. If you have an issue, call us, LG. We will take care of it. They will take care of it and get you fixed. But just a little insight, there's a lot going on in here. These things are very, very heavy, okay? But they are very good also. Like I said, if you're a family of 4, 5, or 6, probably not for you. If you're you and yourself and somebody else, maybe one small person, great. They actually are a very good idea. They are very expensive, but it's depending on the manufacturer and the model, it's about the price of a washer and a dryer together. Sometimes they're a little bit cheaper. We'll let your salesman tell you all that and figure all that stuff out. But for the most part, they're worth getting. But like I said, there's a lot going on in here, okay? Can't go through all the details because there's a lot of trade secrets in here I'm sure they don't want people telling about. But for the most part, these are very good machines. They do their job well. The only thing I don't like about them, like I said, is how long it takes to do a cycle. But these are wonderful things to use. They're wonderful things to have. This is the new technology. I am sure in the future they'll get the cycle down slower, so it'll be comparable to a wash cycle or a dry cycle, and you can keep it moving faster. But for right now, it really doesn't matter the manufacturer. You're looking anywhere from 2 to 3 hours on a turnaround, start to finish wash time. But they are very good machines. Thank you for liking this YouTube. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Come back for some more wonderful information, and have a wonderful day.